How does Advertising Studio work? What are the benefits? Advertising Studio allows you to use your first party data to communicate to them on their social networks. So you've got your data sitting in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. You then can segment that data and start pushing that data to your Facebook or LinkedIn. The benefits of being able to use Advertising Studio is that you're not needing to download the data or upload the data. You are utilizing your first party data. It's all encrypted when it gets to there. What I've seen with a lot of our customers is that they can now utilize their first party data, create an audience, send it to their Facebook Business Manager, for example, and have their digital agency pick up that data and then be able to create the campaigns and ads and start targeting. It allows you to have more control over what data you send. Whereas when you work with digital agency, they will just target based on a criteria. So utilizing your first party data and then being able to use lookalikes is a great benefit. And then one of the biggest things that I always tell customers is using Advertising Studio in journeys, especially in your welcome journey. Someone's just signed up, they get the email that triggers out, and then they might go to the social site and they'll see an ad. That's just reinforcement. So it's a no-brainer for me to be able to create a welcome journey with Advertising Studio to be able to have your brand reinforced in the two different channels.